What up guys, just to let you know, today's vlog is going to be very short. I didn't get a lot of time to put things in, and tomorrow is going to be a lot better. As said in the past, I am new to vlogging and I do need to work on a good scheduling system and how to include enough content in the vlogs. So yeah, I'm going to work on it, okay? That's a promise, but I am having fun doing it, and I hope that you're having fun watching, so we can only go up from here. Alright, enjoy today's vlog, or skip it. Don't skip it though, but you know what you should do, subscribe. Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog! Car is on, we're ready to go. Today, it's a beautiful day. I think it's the hottest day so far in summer. 31 degrees, oh my god. Beautiful. So right now, I'm gonna go get myself a nice relaxing massage, even though I did yesterday as well, but I need it, my back is so sore. I should just see you tonight. What a way to start off the day. Oh, I'm so relaxed now. Oh, the massage was great. Even though I made a few painful faces. Oh, so good. What I'm going to do now is actually go to Southland because I need to figure out why my phone is busted. Apparently one of the speakers is broken and the loudspeaker no longer works. So I'm going to see if I can get that replaced. And if not, then I'm going to quit Optus one day because they should replace that for me. It is so freaking hot. I got in my car, you know when you put your window down, you put your arm on here and it sucks! So I just got into Southland. The sun is nowhere to be seen here. My phone overheated in the car. I wasn't even using it. We're gonna take it in now, hopefully it's cooled down. Let's see if it's cooled down. Nope. Still not good. Jesus Christ. So wait for that to cool. Oh god, it's so hot. Wait for that to cool down. See if I can get it fixed. Knowing Optus, they're gonna say, you have to call on over the phone and see if they can change it over there. How the fuck are people on the phone gonna know if my phone's working or not properly? I'm triggered already. It's the heat. The heat's getting to me. I just had a nice relaxing massage and that zen mood is gone because of the heat. Jesus. I'm sweating in my car. But, you know what's even better? Tonight, I've actually got training with people and I'm gonna make them sweat. I'm gonna make them sweat real good. You heard me. I'm coming for you. 2 hours. 2 hours! I've been here for 2 hours trying to get my goddamn phone fixed. Oh my god. Literally went in to the store and they said, yeah, we'll put you on a wait. Come back soon. We'll again send you a text. I'm like, okay, cool. I waited an hour and a half to reset the settings on my phone. They couldn't have told me that when I asked them, hey yo, my loudspeaker doesn't work. Can you help me? Yeah, sure. You could do this. If it doesn't work, then come back. Can you do Apple, please? 2 hours. It's hot. I'm ranting and it's hot. Time to make delicious smoothie. Perfect. Good. Who could possibly be at the door? You can come in, yeah. Yeah, what's the password?
Because he's the best?
No. What's the password? Huh? No.
Joshua's best?
No. Yeah, that's it.